how to eject water from your iPhone 17. So if you've accidentally submerged your phone into water, you may want to make sure all of the water is removed from the device. So the first thing you're going to do is just grab a dry cloth like so, and go and wipe all of the outside of the iPhone. So just make sure all of the outside is completely dry like so. And once all of the water is no longer visible on the outside, we're then going to tilt the phone upwards like this. And then you're going to lightly tap the phone on your hand to try and remove any liquids that may have got in the charging port. So you can do this for a few minutes to try and remove any excess liquid. Now it's also important that you don't plug your phone into a charger while there's still water in the device. So you'll need to wait at least a few hours before the phone's completely dry before you start charging it again. Now, if there's water stuck in your speakers, there's actually a sound that we can play to push out the water. So this basically uses a low frequency in order to push the water out of the speaker. So what you'll need to do is just go in, unlock your phone and open the YouTube app. You can then use the search box to type in water eject iPhone sound. And you'll see these videos here that you can go and play in order to eject the water. So I'm just going to click on this one here like so. Make sure your volume is turned up and then go ahead and play the video. So you can just go and play this video a few times to make sure all of the water's ejected, and that's how to eject water from your iPhone 17.